I just realized that this bridge has metal that makes some good sounds with some sticks banging against it. And then some woman came along with this paint, I believe powdered paint, and put these weird little things on the path. So, anyways, I didn't ask her what they were for, but I'm guessing it has something to do with Asian culture or directions, maybe music, I don't know. There is something interesting about the little symbol here that does look like a whatever you call it, music symbol. I forget what they're called, a note. So anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to make some good sounds with this metal structure on the bridge. Hopefully it'll sound good, or at least inspire someone. I love you and miss you, Cayne. Wish you were here.